2.0. Seedance 2.0 is topping the chart when it comes to AI video generation. And now Seedance 2.5 is out. Now, creators are already talking about the impressive video quality. We all know that Seedance gives you a high professional cinematic realistic AI videos with multiple angles and dialogue. And now their new model 2.5 is out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I will show you a platform that allows you to generate AI videos using these top models, Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.5. It is so good to be able to test Seedance 2.5. Use it to generate AI videos and view the quality. If you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe. And if you have any question, I want to see it on the comment section, okay? And this particular platform allows you to use these top models to generate your AI videos. Let's dive into it. Let me show you the platform I'm talking about. This is the platform I'm talking about, 2.5 AI video generator. All right. Now, the videos on my right hand side, they are all generated using Seedance 2.5. Okay. So you can see it. All right. Now, this on the AI model on the right hand side, you can see Seedance 2.5. So this platform allows you generate AI videos using Seedance 2.5. Okay. Now there is multiple reference, and there is Seedance 2.0. There is Seedance 2.0 fast and other Seedance. Okay. And right here, you can see image to video and text to video. But first, let's generate using Seedance 2.0 first before going for 2.5. Okay. Right now, if you're going for multiple reference, you have to add the multiple images. All right. But we'll be going for image to video or text to video. All right. Now, having gone through the platform, let's head over to ChatGPT to get our um, prompt. Okay, a video prompt and dialogue. Let's just do text to video on this one. The next one we will be going for image to video. That is Seedance 2.5. We will do image to video. All right. Now this is it. First, because we are going for text to video, we have to take it away from multiple reference to text to video. All right. You can see up here Seedance 2.5. All right. Very visible. Okay, so for our video, text to video, we must click on text to video here. Okay, we must click on text to video, and we'll go down and paste our prompts. You're pasting your video prompt, you're equally pasting your dialogue. All right, this is it. Okay, you come here, make sure it is Seedance 2.0, and you scroll down a little bit. Now you can go as much as 15 seconds video. All right, you can equally go as much as 720p. That is the highest resolution. Okay, and the aspect ratio, you can use any. Now draw this to the extreme and you get 15 seconds video. Okay, now let's just generate. All right, now 2.0 is, we are generating using Seedance 2.0 right now. We'll be generating using Seedance 2.5. Now, it is almost done generating. Okay, about few percentage left. All right. That is it on the right hand side up here. It doesn't take much time. It's just few seconds and your video is ready. Okay. Now there are other AI video platforms that allows you to generate using Seedance 2.5, and right now this one is the one I've seen so far. I will be getting more of it. I will be showing you guys more of the platforms you use to generate um using Seedance 2.5. Now this is my video. It has been generated. Okay, scroll down and you see download on the purple color. This is it. You click on it and your video downloads to your phone or your laptop, whatever device you're using. Okay, so having done that, You can see video downloaded successfully. All right. Now let's head over to generate using our latest Seedance 2.5. Now the platform that allows you is called Seedance 2.ai.net. Seedance 2, all right. Click on the first one. This particular one here. All right, that is Seedance 2.0 AI video generation with native voice audio. This is how it looks once you log in. This is the interface. Definitely you need to log in. On the top right hand side, you see try Seedgen for free. Okay. So, but just feel free and go through the platform and see some of the videos. But first, I have to log in. Okay, for you to be able to create any video, you have to log in. So I've logged in. Now, the other email that I use to generate the other video is different from the particular email I'm using right here. Right, this is a complete different email that I log into. Okay, so we click on Seedance up there and it comes out this way. This is Seedance 2.5 AI video generator. Okay, now having gotten it this way, we are going for image to video generator. So make sure you click on image to video generator and leave it as 2.5. We have tried 2.0. Right now we are trying 2.5, and this is the image. I'll click on it and it uploads there. You can see it has uploaded down here. Now the next thing for us to do is our video prompt and dialogue. All right, I will equally head back to ChatGPT to get my video prompt and video dialogue. The image I uploaded, I used ChatGPT to generate the image. Okay, I use ChatGPT to generate the image. Now this is my video prompt and video dialogue. I'll just head back to the platform, okay, and upload the prompt right here in the box. Okay, now the good part of this particular Seedance 2.5 is it allows you to generate AI videos up to 30 seconds. Up to 30 seconds. Like when you scroll this to the last 30 seconds, imagine you generating 30 seconds video at a go. Man, that means generating your videos will not be hard anymore. That is good part of this. Okay, it allows you to generate up to 30 seconds video. Okay, now you click on generate, it start generating. Now for the resolution you can go as much as 720p, and aspect ratio any of your choice, which is 918 or 16 916 or 16 by 9, whichever one. Now I have clicked on generating. All right, it has started generating. Let's wait and see what it generates for us. Okay, let's wait and see what it generates for us. Okay, this is it. Now it doesn't take much time, you just have to be patient. Okay, now the thing I would tell you about Seedance 2.5 is I think is the longest video generator ever. That is Seedance 2.5. It gives you up to 30 seconds. Okay, it has generated our video. All right, at the end of this video I will be playing it. Okay, I will be playing the full video so you get a listing. And this is the quality. You can see I just use it to generate a series I'm working on. All right, you can see the top quality. All right, now watch what we generated.
So this is why you disappeared.
I can explain.
No, you already did.